From the bottom of my heart, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Wendy Igoy of Miraculous Massage and Wellness Spa for wholeheartedly supporting the Paring Bukidnon through the successful Zumba event. Wendy, your generosity reminds us that when people unite with a sincere desire to help, ordinary moments become extraordinary blessings. Thank you for believing in the mission of the church and for sharing your time, your talent, and of course your resources for the good of the Paring Bukidnon. May the Lord reward your kindness a hundredfold and continue to bless you, your family, and all that you do. I would like also to thank everyone who joined, danced, laughed, and supported this meaningful event, especially to the generous sponsors. You know what? Your presence made it more than just a Zumba gathering because it became a celebration of friendship, health, and generosity. Every step you dance was a step toward building a stronger and more caring community. I warmly encourage everyone to continue supporting Miraculous Massage and Wellness Spa by choosing Wendy Egoy services. You are not only investing in your own health and well-being, but also supporting a business that generously gives back to the community. Let us continue to uplift those who make a difference because every act of support creates another opportunity to bless others. When we support one another, everyone grows. When we share our blessings, God multiplies them. Thank you, and may God bless you all abundantly. Amen.